I welcome you to this session on machine learning, which is a part of artificial intelligence. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about third type of supervised learning algorithm, that is decision tree. Decision tree is one of the most simple algorithm. In our previous lectures, we discussed about linear regression, which is a regression algorithm, and logistic regression, which is a classification algorithm. Now we are going to discuss about our third type of supervised learning algorithm, that is decision tree, which is again a classification algorithm. Our first question is what exactly a decision tree is. Let me explain this concept in easy and effective manner. Decision tree is a supervised learning algorithm which look like an inverted tree. In this tree, root nodes, leaf nodes are used to take decisions. In decision tree, each node represents a predictor variable and link between the nodes represents a decision, and each leaf nodes represents an outcomes as shown on the screen. Let me explain this concept with an example. Let's say you hosted a huge party and you wanted to know how many of your guests are non-vegetarian. To solve these problems, you can create a decision tree. According to this decision tree, each chicken is a starting or root node, and eat mutton, eat fish is another node known as internal nodes, and the last node is non-vegetarian and vegetarian, that is the leaf node. So as we traverse down the decision tree, we find out our answer automatically. This is known as decision tree. Let me show you the working of the decision tree. As we pass down the decision tree, our first variable is eat chicken. If guest eat chicken, then guest is a non-vegetarian, and if not, our next variable is eat mutton. If guest eat mutton, then guest is a non-vegetarian. Otherwise, our next variable is eat fish. If guest eat fish, then guest is a non-vegetarian. If no, the guest is a vegetarian. This is how a decision tree works. It's simple and effective algorithm in machine learning. Another question is, what is the structure of decision tree? Let me explain you the structure of decision tree. The root node is the starting point of the decision tree. Root node is assigned to a variable that is very significant, meaning that variable is very important in predicting the output. After that, we have something known as internal nodes. So each internal node represents a decision point that eventually leads to the output. Last node is known as leaf node. It is also known as terminal nodes. Branches are nothing but the connection between the nodes. These connections are link between each nodes is known as a branch. So this is a structure of decision tree. It's pretty understandable. Now let's move on and we will understand how the decision tree algorithm works. There are many ways to build a decision tree, but most common, and I will be focusing on ID3 algorithm. That is one of the way in which you can build the decision tree. ID3 stands for iterative dichotomizer 3 algorithm, which is one of the most effective algorithms used to build a decision tree. Now the ID3 algorithm has around 6 defined steps in order to build a decision tree. So the first step is you will select the best predictor variable, let's call it A. After that, you will assign this A as a decision variable for the root nodes. Then for each for assigning as a decision variable for the root node, for each value of A, build a descendant of the node. Assign classification label as the leaf node, and if data is correctly, then stop, else iterate over the tree. If you want to stay connected and stay updated about the recent technology, then subscribe to our YouTube channel.